The listening ladder. So there are 4 stages that kids go through. One is detection. You want to see if they can hear a sound or not. Can they detect the presence of sound? The child might blink, widen their eyes, turn their head, or even point to the ears, all of which is demonstrating detection. Second, they move on to discrimination. Can they tell one sound from another? If you put 2 toys in front of them, like a cow and a dog, and one says woof woof, can the child indicate the correct toy for the sound object association? The goal here is pattern perception and indicating same versus different. Discrimination moves through various stages. Discrimination by duration, like short versus long sounds, single syllable versus multisyllabic words, etc. Discrimination between words that are the same length but have different consonants and vowel information. Skilled adults listeners are doing this all the time. You constantly are taking in information and weeding out all the things it is not. To go get the real meaning, you hear bat and effortlessly weed out bad, cat, and butt, etc. Identification. If you hear a sound, you can tell what it is. If the child hears a dog barking with no visual reference, can they recognize that it's a dog making that sound? Can the child name and repeat what he or she has heard? 4. Comprehension. Making use of auditory information. For example, if the child hears a story read at school, he can not only make out the words, but understand them and can use them to answer questions about the book.